We all have to watch every number. I know that. You and I do that. I got to do it here. My colleague and great friend Kevin Hassett is doing it, the CEA, Treasury Secretary Mnuchin. Of course, we're all keen to all the numbers. But I just want to say this. You can have these short-term oscillations in certain business indicators, but look at the big picture. You know, the big picture is we are growing faster than almost anybody dreamed possible. In the past year, I think it's the biggest story of 2018. I really do. We are in an economic boom that most folks thought was impossible. We have penetrated the 1% to 2% so-called secular stagnation zone. We are moving into new ground. The trajectory of the economy is going up. The unemployment rate is 3.7%. Inside that, all the different groups, including minority groups, are registering amazingly low, historically low unemployment rates. Blue-collar workers are up. I don't want to be redundant. I'm just saying there's so much good news out there that we shouldn't just try to find a couple of numbers that don't look great. Okay, you're going to get your oscillation. I think the picture is terrific. I mean, the stock market, I was talking to Secretary Mnuchin. He's working in the ASEAN conference in Bali yesterday. You know, with it all, yesterday's correction and whatnot, the Dow is not far from 26,000. The S&P not far from 2,800. Since the election, these indicators have gone up 40%, 40%, 30%. That's a sign of a healthy economy. And even tech, Jimmy, all right, tech seems to have led the correction yesterday. Tech is still up 50% since the election. So some awful good is happening there. This is something for investors and their 401ks. This is something for, you know, blue-collar folks, Main Street folks, community and regional banks, by the way, where we deregulated, and I expect to see some better loan growth in the future. This is a heck of a story. Let's embrace it. You may not agree with everything we do. I understand that. I'm very respectful. I have lots of friends across the aisle, and you do too, and they're good people, and I respect them. But I'm just saying, for heaven's sakes, please look at the facts, right? Henry Kissinger, many years ago, making an argument, said, this argument has the benefit of being factually true, okay? I've never forgotten that line. Right now, this argument has the benefit of being factually true. Let's enjoy it and hope that it continues.
I know Professor Kissinger, when I had him, always said, listen, you got to do a lot of different kind of homework. You do different. I want what Larry's saying to continue. I am just concerned about what the companies are saying, but I think we can get there. I think we can get there.
Larry, thank you so much. Good to see you again.
Thank
Larry
you.
Kudlow from the
Appreciate
White House today.